Hello and welcome to the tutorial to add a new a new boundary job for California. So go and click on the new tab here. Give it a couple seconds. Alright, so this new job creation window pops up. Under the number, you want to place your job tracking number. You want to make sure the check for duplicates is checked so that you don't create a duplicate job. The description is going to be either the address or the actual job name. Under the workflow state, typically when you're creating a boundary job, it should be a design job. The job type will be an RF project boundary. No need to call out an RF design profile or a fiber, copper, or support profile. The view profile though should be the profile that you set up so that you can see all your line types and colors correctly. For me, it's going to be default Sunco. We do use the UTM Zone 10 NAT83. Keep that nothing selected and keep that blank and then hit add. Your job has opened up. You will now see your SpatialNet, your add, and your admin tabs up here. Make sure your SpatialNet tab is selected. Click on your Find button. Under all categories, make sure Boundaries is selected. You can either double click or hit Find. Now your Find Boundary window pops open. If these are all closed together, go ahead and kind of pull these out a little bit. If this has an X on it, click on it and select the percentage like, and then go ahead and type in your node name. So you should have at least 5 boundaries that pop up, your node boundary and your 4 bus boundaries. Go ahead and select your node boundary. You can just highlight it right here. Go down to display and go into boundary map view. This is like the single mode in CADX. If you need a seamless view, you can go ahead and click map view. So go ahead and click on map view. Okay, so after your map has opened up, go ahead and zoom to the parcel that your job is going to be included into. In this case, it's going to be this parcel for me right here. As you can see, I have my boundary or my parcel here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my project boundary around that parcel. Go up to your Add tab. Go over to, it should say building address here. Hold on here. So it should have this. Pull down your building address. Click on boundary. And it should have your agent boundary as your default one. Go ahead and pull that down and then go down to new build boundary. Under the name, this is where the job tracking number goes. Alternate name, I like to place the address. And that's all I fill out. Go ahead and click on add. And now your line capture controls comes up, and this is where you start drafting. So I do have my snaps on, so I can select right to the edge of the parcel here. So I'm just going to left click and start drafting around my parcel. Now since I have my snaps on, I can either select this last snap or I can hit the close button here. Okay, now the position capture controls window comes up, and this is my annotation window. You do not want to hit done quite yet. Go ahead and click on your map, and this is where you're going to place your job tracking number. So pick a spot that doesn't overstrike too many locations. Just left click on the map, and there should be your job tracking number. After you've placed that, hit done, hit close, and that completes the job.